Hello guys, this is your teacher Nicholas, and today we're going to study passive voice. So you don't have to worry at all, this topic is very easy. You need to pay attention on how can we use this passive voice and the grammar structure. So we use or passive voice is used when we want to focus on the receiver of the action, who or what receives the action, not on who performs the action. Okay, here we have some examples. Sebastian writes a letter. A letter is written by Sebastian. This is passive. Someone built this house in 1992. This house was built in 1992. If you pay attention, we focus on who receives the action or what receives the action. The letter, the house. Another example is my mother is cooking pasta. Pasta is being cooked by my mother. So if you pay attention, the grammar structure that we use on passive voice with passive voice is the subject, verb to be conjugated, the verb in past participle, and the complement. Pay attention again. Subject, verb to be conjugated, verb in past participle, and complement. Okay? Here we have some examples. Remember that active is yellow and passive is blue. For instance, simple present. Someone cleans the house every day. The house is cleaned every day. Okay? So who receives the action? The house. Okay? So the house is cleaned every day. Here we continue with someone is cleaning the house at the moment. The house is being cleaned at the moment. Okay? Or maybe someone cleaned the house yesterday. The house was cleaned yesterday. Okay? And here we continue with some other examples, but these are only passive voice sentences. For instance, past continuous. The house was being cleaned last week. Or when we have present perfect. The house has been cleaned since you left. Or past perfect. The house had been cleaned before they arrived. Or future. The house will be cleaned next week. Okay? You can put into practice the deduction learning strategy in order to uh, analyze how can we follow and how can we create um, a passive voice sentence using this structure. Okay, remember the grammar structure. Now here we continue. Here we have another example with different tenses: affirmative, negative, interrogative. For example, the house was built in 1899. Okay, negative. The house wasn't built in 1999. Or interrogative. Remember that we always start a sentence, an interrogative sentence, with the auxiliary. So, was the house built in 1999? And negative. Wasn't interrogative. Wasn't the house built in 1999? Okay? So pay attention to the grammar structure, and you will find that this passive voice is very easy to use. Okay, guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.